to do definite integral. Now, example 3. Of page 4. Right? You are asked to show. So d dx of this is 3x squared. Yeah, the instructions on SLS. So she should log on to both. Binhi, can you give me a like if you're in? And you're supposed to log into SLS to access the video link so that you know what's happening. Okay? Right? So we're supposed to differentiate this. So we're going to work from this side. So D, how to submit? Okay, class, on the count of 3, tell her together.
Take a picture.
Take a picture and attach. Okay? Take a picture and attach. So D dx. Ask her to watch the video first, doesn't matter. The submission can be later. Okay? So let's bring down the power. This is about apply chain rule. Bring down the power. What do? Reduce the term by 1. Differentiate the inside. So this gives me 3x squared over root 2x cubed plus 9. So, shown. One step. Why do you think they gave you the expression and asked you to show instead of asking you to find dy dx? Why do you think they asked you to show instead of asking you to find dy dx? Yeah, so that if you can't do the differentiation, you can still do the integration, you will not be double penalized. Okay? So now, hence or otherwise, definitely it's easier when you do the hence. But they're giving you an option. So 2, 0, x squared okay. There is a difference, right? So I'm going to use blue to form a relationship between this and integration. That is what I'm supposed to find. But I'm going to ignore that at the moment. In my mind, integrate what? Based on this statement. Integrating which expression equivalent to which? Integrating which one? Adriel? Integrating what? Gives me back the original. This one, is it? If I integrate, then what's this symbol here? So which one should I integrate to give me back the original? This is the original, right? So this is what I've differentiated this. Maybe a quicker one, because some of you feedback that you are quite confused. Do we agree with this? Yeah. The reverse way is integration, right? Yeah. So I should integrate this part to give me back the original, right? So this is the y. I have dy dx this. So I should integrate this. So in my mind, all of us should have this common understanding. When I combine the two. Maybe I put back insert form. It is easier for you to visualize. Okay. Now, of course, there will be a plus C. Okay. Are we okay with this? Just the one in blue? So that's how we correlate the two. Plus C. Come again. Differentiate dy dx. Go backwards. It's integrating. So I integrate this to give me this. So in my mind, this is what I'll be thinking. But let's look at there. I don't have a 3x squared. There is an x squared. So what should I do? So if I want to make this an x square, what is the constant I put outside? 1/3. So you tell yourself that. So this is actually 1/3. Okay. This is an integral with a limits. I call this what? That is an integral with limits. This is called a what integral? Definite integral. So that this definite integral. So I put a 1/3. So I put a 1/3 3x squared over root 2x cubed plus 9 dx to make this proportionate. Okay? So this is the difficult part that everybody feedback that they have issues with, right? So you know, is that really right from there? So this is simply 1/3 root 2x cubed plus 9. This is a definite integral, which is 2, 0. Okay? So this is what we have learned before. If this is an integral, the answer is simply 1/3 plus c. Oh, 2, 0, yes, 2, 0. Yeah. Okay, right? Okay, pump in the values. What is the value? Give it in exact form. So you need to show some working. So 1/3 root minus 0. So it's 16 plus 9 is 25, is it? 16 plus 9 is...
The x is to the power of 3.
Yeah, 2 cubed, isn't it 8? So it's 1/3 root 25, 5 over 3, which is actually 1 2/3. Okay, 1 2/3.
Can't you minus off the 2 bracket? Plus 9.
Yes, so don't always assume that below is 0. Everything will be 0. But when you plug in, it is actually not. So it should be 1/3 2 multiplied by 0 plus 9. So this is a very common careless mistake. So 1 2/3 minus 1. The answer will be simply 2/3. Okay? No need, because this is a definite integral. So you need not put plus c. Okay? Right? So this is one example I have gone through. Bin Hee, I'm going off now. The rest you can see it online. Thank you.